Ramana Rao, Chief Manager, Bank of Baroda, CTC, Park Lane, Secunderabad. Bank of Baroda, India's premier bank, India's international bank, with an existence of 103 years. The Bank of Baroda has been serving the economy in various roles, contributing for the growth of agriculture, industries, weaker sections, and all taking care of all the government programs actively and supporting the growth of Indian economy. We have more than 3,300 branches in India, and our business is 4 lakh crores we have touched, and last year we have achieved a profit of 4,400 crores. So one of the largest bank in India. In Andhra Pradesh, we have 103 branches, a strong network covering all the districts in Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh also, we have been serving various segments, right from industries, agriculture, trading community, SMEs, wholesale, small, micro, weaker sections, self-help groups, scheduled castes, every community we have been, and we have been supporting all the economic activities and various programs devised by the Government of India and Reserve Bank of India. Secunderabad branch, it is a 50 years old branch. We have a business of 110 crores deposits and 65 crores advances. Again, this branch also has been serving all through various segments like industries, traders, weaker sections, self-help groups, agriculture. Every community we have been serving as per the guidelines devised by Government of India as well as Reserve Bank of India. Bank of Baroda, this Secunderabad branch, we have a strong, wide network of more than 10,000 clients, and we have a uninterrupted profit all through this 56 years of existence. To serve better and to provide a better customer service with all improved technology, we have recently shifted our premises from Raniganj to CTC Park Lane. We have shifted to this new premises for providing better services, and this new premises, we have a spacious premises and with full technology, and that will suit the requirements of all our clients. And I appeal to all the clients to make use of all this new technology and all the new facilities which have been provided by us in this new spacious building. And I wish all our clients to have a better working atmosphere and a better future, better growth in this new atmosphere. And we have been striving for the welfare and growth of our customers. And I appeal all that, and I wish that all my clients and well-wishers have a same performance and growth in the coming years also. I once again appeal all my clients to patronize us and make use of all the services offered by our branch. Thank you.